friends, welcome back to Simply Jain. Today we are going to make a very different kind of an appetizer, that is veggie parcel. So let's start making it. Ingredients required for the filling are asparagus, red cabbage, black pepper, cabbage, red bell pepper, cheese, oil, black olives, celery, salt, chili flakes and oregano. First we will add 2.5 tablespoon oil. In that we will add asparagus. Then we will add red cabbage, normal cabbage, salt to taste, oregano, half tablespoon chili flakes, half teaspoon pepper, once the filling is cool, we will add cheese, and now just keep this aside. Now to make this, we will require Filo pastry, which is available in Nature's Basket and many other general store. Just remove one sheet, apply butter on it, melted butter. On that, we will put another sheet on top of it and see to it that you don't keep your sheets open for a very long time, otherwise the remaining will dry very quickly. This requires a lot of butter. Now I am just going to cut it from between. And put this on top of this. These sheets are very delicate to be handled. And then in between we will put some filling. And now, just like a parcel, we will wrap it from all the four sides. Do the same with the remaining. Once this is ready, just sprinkle some sesame seeds on it and this goes for baking on 180 degrees Celsius for around 20 minutes. Our veggie parcels are ready. Serve it warm. Our veggie parcels are ready. I hope you like this recipe. For more such recipes, comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to Simply Jain for a new recipe.